Hi guys, Ejumajara once again and welcome back to my YouTube channel with another amazing video. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make this amazing chicken curry recipe. Get to stick around and watch the full video and know how we are going to be making our chicken curry recipe. But before we even start, if you're a first time viewer visiting my channel, kindly click the subscription button and please don't forget to turn on the notification bell not to be missing new videos weekly. And to my returning subscribers, thank you so much. I don't know how you guys make your own chicken curry recipe, but first we're going to start with mixing our spices on our chicken, that is. So I'm going to be using some spices like the curry powder, the turmeric. We're also going to use our mixed spices, the spices which you love most that make your meat or your chicken taste good. Those are the kind of spices you can use. As for me, these are my kind of spices which I use. Tandoori masala, it gives your meat, your chicken, that spicy feeling. Not forgetting our chicken masala, since we're going to be making the chicken curry. Chicken masala has to be there. This is the main spice. Now to the seasoning, I'm going to be using sea salt. I got to love this salt. This salt is so amazing. You can be trying sea salt instead of the salt which we normally use. Try the sea salt instead in cooking and your food will come out nice. I'm telling you, they'll be perfectly prepared with the sea salt. Now this is the marinating end, where you just have to mix the spices with the chicken. Since I'm using the chicken, let me talk about the chicken.
And I lost myself again. You hit just like a drug. This time I won't let you in. You're playing with fire. No, I didn't on the prey, but this time I won't collide.
So now I'm going to put on the gas and add some oil on our pan so that we can be able to saute our chicken. I'm not going to be using much oil since a lot of oil is not that good in our food, so I'm just going to put a little bit of oil in the pan and at least saute the chicken.
Far from the light of the day, I can't go back to you. I'm stronger today. Been to the dark side, I don't know. So if you wanna shoot far away, I won't go back to you. I'm stronger, I'm stronger, I'm stronger today. I'm stronger today. Tú tienes la pócima para enloquecerme, pero voy a draw the line. Que yo ya sé que es de ti. I got to stay away, got to stay away. Sé que como un trofeo quieres tenerme, pero I don't need no one. Que yo ya sé que es de ti. I got to stay away, got to stay away. No, 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 baby, no, 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 no setbacks. No, 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 baby, no, 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 this time. You broke my heart once again. I won't buy the dust in return. I can't give in, I can't give in, I won't give in this time. You broke my heart once again. Well, you bad, but you bad it for me. I can't give in, I can't give in. I've already run with the wolves. Far from fever dream, can't fall asleep, never felt so strong. When I thought I was over love, just a chemical, you proved me wrong. You don't even know what you do to me. When you're next to me, there's a spark in the air. Something I can't say takes hold of me. Your energy, it's not even fair. And I finally believe, 'cause it's not that hard to see, that I could walk the world for a century. I'd be incomplete, no one else can compare. We were meant to be. It's not hard to believe in love when you shine as bright as 1,000 suns. I don't know where you're taking me, escape velocity to another world. You don't even know what you do to me. When you're next to me, there's a spark in the air. Something I can't say takes hold of me.
If you're watching this video and you see it valuable, consider subscribing and join me each Saturday as I will be posting new videos.
That I could walk the world for a century. I'd be incomplete, no one else can compare. We were meant to be.
Take me back to the days when we were both okay. Baby, you know it wasn't yesterday. We lost track and we couldn't find a way. 'Cause I still love you. Oh, I still want you. I still need you. Yeah, I still love you. I still want you. Back to the days when we were both okay. Baby, you know it wasn't yesterday. We lost track and we couldn't find a way. 'Cause I still love you. Oh, I still want you. I still need you. Yeah, I still love you.
Kindly make sure to comment below on my comment section if you want me to make more videos like this, and please don't forget to like the video.
messing with my head again. You had your heart set on me, but these feels, they come and go, and they come so easily. Tell me what it is about you that I can't forget, but you're breaking down my walls again just to set me free. Why do I, baby, why do I love the way you are, we always leave me? Why do I, baby, why do I love the touch but never love the feeling? Why do I, baby, why do I love the way you are, we always leave me? Why do I, baby, why do I love the touch but never love the feeling?
Thank you for supporting Ajuma Jara, and see you on the next video. Goodbye.